Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Animal Crackers by Lisa Charlesworth. Want to look at my animals? Want to look at my animals? Look at my deer. Look at my deer. Look at my bear. Look at my bear. Look at my ape. Look at my ape. Look at my snake. Look at my snake. Look at my cow. Look at my cow. Crunch, 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 crunch. Look, I have no animals now. Crunch, 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 crunch. Look, I have no animals now.